Once insulation is installed, you can install the sheeting over it. As the sheets are lifted, someone needs to make sure the bottom of the sheet stays even with the chalk line snapped earlier. Once the sheet is properly aligned and the sheeting ribs are plumbed with a level, screws can be installed through the pre-drilled holes into the base angle, girts, and E-purlin. When installing sheeting on all walls, start at the back side of the building working towards the front, so that when the building is viewed from normal line of sight, you will not see the overlapping sheeting. Once the sidewalls are installed, end wall sheets can be installed, using the same techniques as used on the sidewall. Start by installing any insulation. Then install the sheeting, making sure to use the bottom chalk line as well as the level to make sure all sheeting remains plumb. Keep in mind that the sheeting on the end walls needs to be well thought out, as each sheet has a different height and has a specific location in which it will be placed. Care should be taken so that there is as little sheeting wastage as possible. Note that when installing sheeting on an end wall, a portion of the sheeting will extend above the rake angle. Once all sheeting is installed, the extended section can be trimmed off, which can be done with a Sawzall. If you are installing sheeting and insulation around a window, you will need to cut any insulation out of the opening, taking care to waste as little material as possible. Make sure to seal the insulation around the opening with double-sided tape. If installing a window, you will then need to install the window at this time.
We have a. What I was thinking.
Once it is level, you can install self-drilling flathead screws around the perimeter of the window, securing it to the jambs, header, and sill. After window is secured with the flathead screws, caulking can be installed to seal the space between the window and the insulation.